Walk into a luxury watch boutique and you'll be met with the usual suspects. Flashy logos, famous faces, and brands that sell their story louder than their specs. But behind the noise, there's a name that's been quietly ticking for over a century. A brand that's innovated without seeking headlines and endured without shouting for attention. That name is Edox. It began in 1884 when Christian Ruefli-Flury, a watchmaker in Bienne, Switzerland, handcrafted a pocket watch for his wife's birthday. The gift wasn't designed to start a brand. It was simply made with care, precision, and love. But the quality turned heads, and later that year, Ruefli-Flury founded a workshop. He named it Edox, from the Greek word meaning the hour. From the beginning, the mission was clear: let the work speak for itself. And for decades, it did. Edox built a reputation for crafting refined, reliable mechanical timepieces in the Swiss tradition. But in 1961, the brand stepped out of the shadows and into horological history with the launch of the Delphine, a watch that shattered expectations for water resistance. Using a patented double caseback and gasket system, the Delphine could withstand 200 meters of depth at a time when most watches weren't confident near a sink. 2 years later, the Hydro Sub pushed even further, down to 500 meters, making Edox a pioneer in real-world tool watches long before dive watch culture hit the mainstream. Yet Edox didn't chase the spotlight. It kept building for function, not fame. And when the quartz crisis rocked the Swiss watch industry in the 1970s, the brand adapted without losing its soul. While many houses folded or sold out, Edox stayed independent, guided by the same values it started with: precision, purpose, and integrity. In 1983, Victor Strambini took the helm and relocated the brand to Les Geneves, deep in the Jura Mountains. There, Edox leaned into its strength, creating tough, beautifully built watches that thrived in extreme conditions. It became the official timekeeper of the World Rally Championship, the Dakar Rally, and major sailing competitions, demanding arenas where timing has consequences. Edox didn't just show up, it delivered. Today, Edox continues to fly under the radar, and that's part of its appeal. It's one of the few remaining independent Swiss brands with over 140 years of uninterrupted history. Production is focused, not inflated. Designs are refined, not trendy. Movements are chosen with purpose, often built or modified in-house. And through it all, the brand remains what it has always been: honest. There are no gimmicks here, no noise or heritage invented in a boardroom. Just a long, quiet legacy of doing things the right way, even when no one's watching. Because Edox wasn't made for the spotlight. It was made for people who know the difference.